Once the undisputed kings of long-haul dominance, American trucks are now finding themselves outpaced by the raw torque, efficiency, and technological superiority of their European counterparts. This power shift isn't just about horsepower. It reflects a deeper evolution in engineering, philosophy, emissions regulations, and drivetrain innovation. While as trucks like the Peterbilt 389 and Kenworth W900 have long been admired for their rugged looks and massive presence, Europe's heavy-duty titans, such as the Scania S-Series, Volvo FH16, and Mercedes-Benz Actros are now leading the race in raw output, drivetrain precision, and intelligent performance systems. Modern European trucks are increasingly surpassing American rigs in both rated engine power and torque delivery, signaling a significant turn in global trucking dynamics. European trucks like the Scania 770S deliver a 770 horsepower with over 2,500 lb-ft of torque from a 16.4-liter V8 diesel engine. Compare this with the typical American Class 8 trucks such as the Cascadia or the Kenworth T680, which often max out around 6 horsepower and 2,050 pounds-ft of torque, from engines like the Cummins X15 or Detroit DD16. While American trucks focus on durability, longevity, and broad torque bands suited to long, straight highways, European trucks are optimized for mountainous terrains, tighter road networks, and stricter environmental laws. This leads to the adoption of smaller, yet more efficient, high-output engines, advanced turbocharging, and finely tuned automatic transmissions such as the Z-Traxxon and Volvo's I. Historically, U.S. trucks have emphasized manual transmissions, simplicity, and customization, often using 13 or 18-speed Eaton-Fuller gear. In contrast, European models embraced automation early, investing in seamless, fuel-saving transmission technologies and adaptive cruise systems that optimize gear selection and braking on varied terrain. Weight distribution laws also differ. Europe imposes stricter axle load limits, which has pushed engineers to extract more power from lighter power. Additionally, modern Euro 6 and forthcoming Euro 7 emission standards have forced manufacturers to innovate in combustion, efficiency, and hybrid integration well ahead of us EPA timeline. In the future, European trucks may continue to lead, especially in electric and hydrogen propulsion. Companies like Volvo and Daimler are already rolling out high-power electric semis with impressive torque figures and rapid charging capabilities. If U.S. policies, road infrastructure, and trucking culture don't evolve as swiftly, Europe's trucks may set the global standard not just for power, but for clean and intelligent freight movement. What began as a mechanical arms race has become a technological revolution, one that places Europe's rigs in the driver's seat of trucking's next era.